Term 6 Maths, Week 4, Day 2. Angles in regular polygons. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Split the polygons into triangles to work out the sum of their interior angles. Your lines should not overlap. The first one has been done for you. So we can see that this pentagon has got 5 sides, has been split into 3 triangles. So the sum of the interior angles is 540, 3 lots of 180. So let's split up this hexagon, 6 sides. So with a ruler, okay, so split it up into 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. So there's 6 sides, 4 triangles, 4 lots of 180. So 720. So the sum of the interior angles is 720 degrees. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got a hexagon. So let's split it up into triangles. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles in this hexagon. So 5 lots of 180. So that's 900. So that's 900 degrees. What do you notice about the number of sides compared to the number of triangles? So here we had 5 and 3. So that's a difference of 2. 6 and 4, difference of 2. 7 and 5, difference of 2. It always goes down by 2. So let's have a look at this one. Complete the table. So quadrilateral, 4 sides, 2 triangles, sum of the interior angles is 360. So pentagon, we've done the pentagon, so that's 5, 3, 540 degrees. Nonagon, now nonagon has 9 sides. So it's 7 triangles, remember it goes down by 2. So that's 7 lots of 180. Decagon is 10 sides, so 8 triangles. Right, a 6-sided shape is a hexagon. So it's got 4 triangles, 720. Number of triangles is 6, so that must have 8 sides, which must mean it's an octagon. So 6 lots of 180. So it's got 1,800 degrees. So how many 180s in 1,800? So that's 10. So it must have 10 triangles. So it must have 12 sides. So it must be called a dodecagon. Okay, Danny is working out the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. Here are her workings. 10 lots of 180 is 1,800. Do you agree with Danny? Has she split it up? So if we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. So we should have 6 triangles. Let's test our own triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. She's not joined them from the same point. She's overlapped them. The lines have crossed. So no, Danny has crossed lines. There should be 6 triangles. Okay. Rosie, Amir and Eva are drawing polygons. I split my polygon into 4 triangles. What polygon has Rosie drawn? So if it's 4 triangles, it must have 6 sides, so it must be a hexagon. The sum of my interior angles is 1080. What polygon has Amir drawn? Well, if I go back to my sheet before, I can see that we've got 1080, and that's an octagon. My polygon has more sides than Rosie's, but fewer than Amir's. So which polygon has she drawn? So we've between an hexagon, 6 sides, octagon, 8 sides, so it must be a heptagon. What is the sum of the interior angles of a heptagon? Well, we worked that out before, and so that was 900 degrees. We did that in question 1. Each compound shape is made up of regular polygons. Work out angle Y in each case. So we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided shape. Now in a 6-sided shape, a hexagon, the sum of the angles is 720. So each angle is 720 divided by 6. So each angle is 120. So this angle in here is 120 degrees. I know this angle of a square is 90. So 120 plus 90 is 210. Angles around a point is 360. So we take that away. So Y must be 150 degrees. So here we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape, a pentagon. The sum of a pentagon is 540. We worked that out in question 1. So we divide that by 5. So each big angle here is 108. This is an equilateral triangle, so that is 60. Angles in an equilateral triangle are 60. So we've got 108 minus 60 to leave 48. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape again. We worked out that each one of those was 108. So 108, 108, so 3 lots of 108. 324, 360, because angles around a point 360, minus 324, leaves me with 36. Okay. Here we've got a 5-sided shape again, a pentagon. So we know that the large angle is 108. But here we've got an isosceles triangle. So this one is 108. So 180 minus 108 leaves me 72. Half of 72 is 36, so divide that by 2 to give me so that little angle here is 36. So we do 108 minus 36, leaves me with 72. Okay, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-sided shape, an octagon. Now we know the sum of an octagon is 1080. So each big angle is 135. This is 90, and this is an equilateral triangle of 60. So we've got 135 plus 60 plus 90. So that's 18, so that's 285. So 360 minus 285 should leave me 75 degrees. And question F. Okay, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-sided shape again. So we know that the big angle is 135. And then we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape. Now we know for a 5-sided shape that the big angle is 108. So we worked that out before. So if we take those away from each other, we get 27. So Y is 27 degrees.